Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Subaru WRX STI Limited. Give that a listen, sounds gorgeous. Love that hood scoop. This one is an all-wheel drive. You look at those brake calipers. Those air intakes there on the back are cool too. Let's have dual exhaust. Love the sound. This little of a car is just rumbling. These are painted alloy rims. We do have a sunroof in this model as well. Go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. You have black and red leather Recaro seats. Go ahead and give you a shot of the VIN. It's a standard transmission. I'll give you a shot of the pedals. Okay, come up here, you see that you have 21,127 miles on this vehicle. Here are your toggles for your stereo. Also got your cruise control and your push to talk. Come over here, you've got your map, audio, you have AM, FM, Sirius, XM, and Bluetooth. Then you've got your apps right here that you'll use through your phone. Come on up here. You got your additional sport gauges. All right. And then you also have your climate control, and as you do that, they will show up there as well. Okay, down here you have a power supply, stowage, your shifter, handbrake, and here you got your sport and sport sharp modes, your intelligent mode. You also got your cup holders. All right. Come up top, you've also got your map lights, and then you also have your sunroof. Go ahead and close this up. All right. This particular vehicle has a clear title. Gorgeous. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.